choke it first?
I wouldn't. Not as warm as it is. Just watch your leg.
Sure? Sure we don't need to choke it?
Can't hurt.
I'm turning over. What are we missing? Do we have everything hooked up right?
Power there.
It's hooked up right? Yeah. Or do we have this back? No? We have this right? Are we missing anything?